Hi Strike customers, it's Lindsay here standing with a new product. This is the Strike MacBook Hardshell case. It's available in two colors, the beige and also the black. We're really excited about this product. It's available now here at Strike. Let's take a closer look at them now. Okay, taking a closer look at the MacBook Neo hardshell case. As mentioned, we've got it pre-installed here on the black unit. Two layers of protection. We've also got the top and the bottom. Really easy installation guide that's included with this unit, which is over here. So turning the device over, we've got plenty of ventilation. So this is going to ensure that the MacBook isn't going to overheat inside this plastic protective shell. We've got the non-slip feet here as well. Obviously all ports, USB-C there, clearly easily available, and some more ventilation and speaker grills there. The two colors, the black and the beige. Turning it over, you can see here, super easy to install. So there is another installation video available that you can check out, or you can just scan this QR code once you receive your MacBook Neo shell to quickly identify how you can put that unit together. This product is available here in Strike, specifically targeted for everyday use, such as students and anyone else looking for a lower entry into the laptop market. Obviously dust protection and slim and lightweight. You don't want to be carrying something around all day that's super heavy. It's going to protect your MacBook, your investment, with from scratches and any other fingerprints. We're really impressed by this product. We're glad to bring it to market and hope you are too. You can get in contact with Strike via the contact details below.